Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Hi, my name is Deborah and I love creating videos. So today's video is going to be about my December subscription unboxing, and I know it's a little late, but I have my November one up now, thankfully, and now this is my December one. And of course January is going to be right around the corner because they've already shipped some of the stuff. So I have 3 subscription boxes. One is Macy's, one is Ipsy, and one is Birchbox. So Ipsy and Birchbox are both $10 each, and the Macy's one is $15, but they give you a $5 coupon usually. So the first one that I wanted to unbox is the Ipsy one. So Ipsy for December came super cute in this little glittery bag on the top, super festive. And I guess this didn't fit in the bag, but I got 2 masks, and I really like these masks. I mean, I'm a mask person, so love me some masks. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is a melted, well, a Too Faced melted matte longwear lipstick, and this is it right here. It looks like a mauvey pink. Yeah, it's like a purpley mauvey pink. So that's right up my alley. I love those type of colors. So I'm gonna be wearing that and showing you most of like how this stuff wears and what I like and what I don't like on my Insta stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me. It's Derbzilla, but I'll put it down below for you. So the next thing in here is a LUXIE brush, and I love LUXIE brand. So I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use of this brush. And this is exactly what I like. This is like a dense type of brush, but it's still very soft. So I'll typically use that type of brush for my crease area to pack on that color. The next thing in here is City Color Cosmetics. How do you even open this? Oh, okay, and it's a shimmer shadow. So it's a pretty big size for a shadow, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a shimmery, chromy, if you can see that, type of color. So I really like what they're going for here. And then the last thing in here is a Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the color Fishnet. So, 'tis it right there. So, Ipsy did really well this year. This month. Well, December. Let me get my life together. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna be doing Birchbox. Ooh, wow. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is eyelash curler. You can see that. And I'm not gonna take it out of its packaging because I already have an eyelash curler that I used to use, but I get my eyelashes done, which I actually have to go get them done very soon. And I'm just gonna give that away because I don't use it, I don't need it. But that's really cool that they would send that. The next thing in here is, I think it's pronounced Minu shampoo. Minu, M-I-N-U. Smells good. Illuminating protective shampoo for colored hair. Perfect, because my hair's colored. And it's a pretty big size too. That's cool. And then of course it comes with a hair serum and a conditioner as well. Awesome. I love when they send me shampoos and conditioners because I typically use them when I travel. And that's when I really get to put them to the test. So next in here we have Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick Rouge. And I think the color is Driver's Seat. So it's this right here. You can see it. And let me see. Ooh, I really like the doe foot applicator. And, okay, it's a pretty color. It's this one right here. My God, my hand's gonna be all swatched up. So the next thing in here is Marcelle Maximum Volume Intense Mascara. So this right here. Another thing that I'll be giving away. And then the last thing in my Birchbox is the Escada Agua del Sol perfume. So, and I don't think I've ever tried Escada, so I will definitely give it a go. Oh wait, I'm sorry. The last thing in here is the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying and Brightening Pink Clay Mask. So this is the actual last thing in here. So pretty good stuff for December. Okay, and the last one is my Macy's one, which typically tends to be my favorite one. So they sent this beautiful bag, and I think it's just gorgeous. And they always sent a booklet. And the booklet always has the $5 coupon. And it also has like information on the products. So I really like that they send a lot of information with the products. That way you know what you're doing when you actually get it. It's always wrapped up. Okay, so the first thing in here that I'm pulling out is the Nude Stick or Nude Sticks. And okay, it's this right here. And it's actually this color right here. And it's really pretty. It actually was super soft and you didn't really have to put too much pressure for the swatch. So I can imagine it's the same for the lips. And I've never used this brand, so I'm really excited that they sent me this. The next thing in here is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate. So this one. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so it looks kind of like a gel and a cream put together. So that's pretty cool. And since, you know, us ladies in our 30s start to get the fine lines around the eyes, I think that's perfect. So I'm gonna be using that up. The next thing in here is a Chanel hand cream, which is perfect. I actually should have opened this one up first because my hands are so dry and they probably look super gross and I'm so sorry. But yes, this is what came in there. Let me see what it smells like because I've never smelled Chanel lotion before. It smells pretty good. It has like a not so strong smell, so that's always good. Okay, next we have this Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Water Drench. Hold on, wait until I sound this out here. Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. So this is it right here, and I've heard good things about this, so this is supposed to be super hydrating. Gonna be checking that out. Watch out for my Insta stories. Next we have this MAC Lip Tensity. So the MAC Lip Tensity came in 3 different colors. It came in like a red, a mauve, and like maybe more of a nudie color, brownish color. So Doe, Smoke Almond, and mulling spices or mulling spices. I'm not really sure, but I'll check those out. And then the last thing in here is a Tory Burch perfume sample. And this is, it says my first fragrance. So yeah, I'm really happy with my subscription. Oh, I'm really happy with my beauty subscriptions for December. I am so excited to try so many new things. So I'll be sharing with you again on my Insta stories, so check it out. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss any of my new videos that are coming up. And it's gonna be super exciting, so be sure to be subscribed. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.